This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by Nancy Rasmussen. Welcome home to this charming single-level, ranch-style home with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, located in the highly sought-after city/neighborhood in Sherwood. The open floor plan offers single-level living with vaulted ceilings, stainless steel appliances, granite, wood floors throughout, double-sided fireplace, built-in sound system, plumbed for vacuum system and more. Spacious master bedroom suite offers double vanities, soak tub and shower. Enjoy the expanded/resurfaced Trek deck with private backyard plus garden area. You won't want to miss this home. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Rasmussen at 503-320-3771.